$151,000. That's exactly how much we made with this clothing brand in a single day. As you can see, $151,000. I'm gonna just give it a quick refresh. Still there. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how we did this and exactly how you can be able to achieve this much numbers for your clothing brand too. If you're wondering who am I, my name is Abdulaziz. I'm one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we basically take clothing brands that are doing all types of numbers and we scale them like through the stuff they need to get still scaled, like backend systems. I'm talking about stuff like ads, SMS and email marketing, website optimizations. We build the websites for you and everything. We have a whole website development team who does the websites for you, and then customer value optimization. Literally everything you are going to need for your clothing brand to scale. And this is no mentorship, this is a partnership. We like work with the brand together with you. We're in the trenches literally with you, working out what's going to work with the brand. So if you want to work with us, just apply using the link below. We can get straight to work. 151,400 touch $2 with 53 cents. That's exactly how much we made with this clothing brand in a drop day. And let's get right into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to know, the first and the most important thing that I want you guys to know is a product. All this wouldn't be possible without a good product. All this wouldn't be possible if this brand didn't have a winning product. Literally, you should know that a winning product is literally a clothing brand. What is a clothing brand? A brand that sells clothes. And how do you make money with a clothing brand? People buying your clothes. So you gotta find a way you can make clothes that people are going to buy and people need and want. Not even want, clothes that people need. That's the type of mentality you should have when trying to create a product. So, and how can you find a winning product? How can you make a winning product? I mean, because you can never know if your product is a winning product till you actually run it and see how it performs organically and with paid ads too. So this is exactly how you can get a winning product, how you can create a potential winning product. So first, you need to get a designer. Don't be stingy, bro. Don't be stingy. You don't want to save your money on stuff that can change your life, bro. You should invest your money in a good designer. That's the best way you can get a winning product. Go find a designer, or if you want a designer, I can personally put you on my designer. I'm not going to keep any designer for you. I can put you on my designer so that they can get your stuff looking good for you. So outsourcing a designer, but if you're very good at design, you can go ahead and just design. So after you get that designer, you should go to three of your favorite brands, three of brands you like, you fuck with, three brands that you want your brand to be like, and then look at their products. Look at the products that they drop the most. The product they drop the most, that's the product that's going to be a winning product for them, because they've dropped it once. They dropped it not once, not twice, not thrice, but not three times. I don't know what the fuck I said. Not three times, but they keep on dropping that product. Why do they keep dropping that? Ask yourself. Because it's a winning product, because it's working. If it's not working, they won't drop it again. So go look at that and then find a unique selling point. Ask yourself, why is this product selling and how can I make a product that's going to sell like this? Ask yourself that question. Find a unique selling point, because number one, your product has to have this is the most important part. If your product has a unique selling point, your organic is going to do so much better. Your ads are going to be so crazy because that product is in demand, because people have never seen that type of product. So the first time they say it, they're actually going to pull the trigger and buy it. That's the type of product you want to get for your brand. A product that people will literally see and instantly feel like buying it and instantly pull the trigger, put in their card, copy it. That's your main goal. That's your main goal when making a product. So after you have that product, because you can have the best product, but hype, if nobody knows about the drop or the product, it's useless. Put this in your mind. Let's say you have literally the best product, you have it, but you are the only person that knows about that product. It has no eyeballs. Who is going to buy it? Where is the traffic going to come for you to buy it? So that's where you need to build hype for that product. You have that in product, but you need hype for it. I've seen a lot of brands that they have a good product, but the product doesn't have hype, nobody knows about their brand, nobody knows about that brand, instantly when I see that brand, I know that this brand has potential. They have the product, but they don't have enough eyeballs on it. So and how can you build hype? You can build hype through these steps before you drop. This is exactly how we built hype for this clothing brand. So the first thing we did was we set up a drop date. You can set up a drop date. If you're a new brand, I really recommend you post. You say your drop date in like a month, and because number one, you need to build like social proof. You need to build a lot of followers and social proof and a lot of traffic. You're a new brand. Nobody knows about you, so you need to even get people to know you. It takes time to grow. So, but if you're already an established brand and you already been doing drops, you can set a drop date for 3 to 2 weeks, and then you're going to start advertising that product for that 3 to 2 weeks before you start posting. So yeah, you set a drop date. Let's say for example today is November 1st, you can set it up for November 15th, November 20th. So yeah, our drop date is November 20th now. So the first thing we're going to do is when we get that bulk, if it's a pre-made, if it's pre-made, you before any, as soon as you get that bulk, send it to like 3 to 5 influencers. That's exactly how we did with this brand, and that shit helped us out like crazy. It was an European brand, so the brand owners, they sent it to like this girl, was she in Latvia, and it was like a country named like that. So the video fucking blew up. I'm talking about like almost 1 million views. I think it was even more than 1 million views. So the video blew up. So that woman, bro, that girl she bought is like hella traffic. So she bought hella traffic to that branding. It was very good. It was like a very good idea to go follow influencers. So you get some influencers on your stuff, and also like when people see influencers on your stuff, they instantly trust the brand more because they are seeing people interacting with the brand. Especially for new clothes, especially for new brands, your main goal is to like get a bunch of influencers when starting. So get an influencer, and then they are going to be posting 2 to 3 videos a day. This is fucking important. This is very important. Consistency. I've been seeing a lot of people, they drop over and over again, and no fucking traffic, and they come to me asking like, damn bro, I dropped yesterday, nobody bought, not a single order. And I go on this stuff, the first thing I see is they're fucking shit at content. They're shit at content. Nobody is seeing the pros. Nobody knows they're even dropping. So the only way you can grow hype for your drop is by posting or getting traffic. Like that's the only way you can get hype for it. So bro, I'm expecting 2 to 3 videos a day from you, from on Instagram or on TikTok. Do not play with it, bro. Like I promise you, if you do this consistently, even if you don't grow now, bro, if you keep on doing this and stay consistent, you're going to get rich. You're going to get rich. Trust me. It's hard, but if you can fucking do it, and if you're ready to make money, bro, then you can fucking do it. Then go and do it, bro. So 2 to 3 videos a day. And another good way you can get hype on a drop is through pre-drop ads. Pre-drop ads are goated. I like pre-drop ads, and they're risky at the same time too. Alright, so pre-drop ads basically means you run ads that are specifically for building hype on the drop, and to collect SMS subscribers. I think I made a video on how to do pre-drop ads in the past. I'm not sure though. But if you want pre-drop ads ran for you, or any sort of ads for your clothing brand, you can work with my agency, and we can get everything sorted for you. Like bro, most quoted agency in the fucking game. Like most quoted agency, client delivery is on point. I'm glazing myself too much. So you get the hype, and then this is an example of one of our brands that we're working with. This was the fucking hype. This is what hype is called. So bro, before we even dropped anything, as you can see, this like 0 sales, as you can see, before we really even dropped anything, we were getting 14,000 people in the website daily. And this is before a drop or any this, bro, no drops, and like this were literally no drops. 14,000 people daily. daily, bro. Like, this is to show you that people actually need them, bro. People actually want, there's demand, bro. This is to show like there's enough eyeballs. So 14,000 people, and this is not a very big run too, by the way. So these people, this traffic though that you're seeing right over here, we're not going to waste them. We're not going to waste these people. What we are going to do is we're going to collect their information. What I mean by information is we are going to collect their phone numbers. So, and how do we do that? We make a high converting sign up form. It is an example of a sign up form. So literally everything I talked about on the hype side, content posting and everything, this is where you're going to direct that traffic to. So I'm gonna just break down the funnel for you. So you get traffic and you convert that traffic into SMS subscribers. You get traffic and you funnel them to your website. Now they go on your website, they don't see the pro, your website is locked, they are going to see your sign up form. This is an example of a crazy sign up form. I know this converts like crazy. So Black Friday sign up form already acts as the biggest sale in our history of our brand. I have another sign up form too. So for the sign up form, you can use Postscripts, you can use Omnisend, you can use Klaviyo, any of them. For Postscripts, other people think Postscripts you can't make sign up forms like this on Postscripts. Hell yeah, you can, bro. You code, you have to learn how to code, and that's what my agency is there for. We can code the website, we can code your Postscript sign up form to look exactly like this sign up form that you're seeing over here. So yeah, if you want to work with my agency, just apply using the link below and we can get straight to work. I think I've given enough sauce. And then is the last thing. So after the drop, you start running ads like immediately. The second you drop, ads start going to. If you don't sell out, as long as you don't sell out and it's a pre-order, ads so start from that time. This is an example of one of the ads we ran. This was in a single day too, by the way. We spent 11.2k to get back $43,000 with 3.9x ROAS. Like, we were fucking going aggressive on the sides. Like, we were literally going aggressive. So yeah, just apply using the link below. We can get straight to work.